Hi, Paul from Trekitt on another one of my self-made Harry-less videos, doing my own filming and my own sound recording, so I hope this is all working okay. And today I'm out back in my house to talk to you about these quite gorgeous Hestra Wakayama gloves. But do that, it looks like they're flashing, doesn't it? Harry's going to get really annoyed at me doing that. Anyway, these are my own gloves. I've had these since about October, and they have rapidly ensconced themselves into my favourite bits of kit pile. They are simply beautiful gloves. Now, I think it's worth mentioning at this point, they are not super techie mountaineering gloves. They're kind of an everyday walking outdoor glove. I've used them for dog walking. Dogs are around here somewhere, you might see them lurking around. I've used them for hiking locally, I've used them for gardening, I've used them for work, I've used them for going to the shops. You name it, they're just a great everyday glove. But what makes them so nice, apart from this lovely colour, is the fact they are made from a really high quality. Look at that, look at the beautifulness of that leather. Really high quality cowhide leather, and they're lined with kind of a terry loop wool lining, so all natural materials, but it's just the quality of this leather. And even after extended use, they still smell gorgeous. You know, that new leather smell, and you can see how much I've used them. You know, they're getting pretty well worn, but they're a fabulous pair of gloves. They're not festooned with loads of features. You don't get kind of Kevlar reinforced Hyperlon loops. You don't get Gore-Tex lining. They're not waterproof. They're just absolutely gorgeous pair of leather gloves. I think that the one thing, little concession to feature, is a little simple pull cord on the back of the glove, which you just pull and it grips, and then pull the tab to loosen it. Simple little thing. So they're beautiful to wear. They fit fantastically because Hestra, in their wisdom, make a wide range of sizes to suit all hand shapes. I love doing that. So you be sure to get the right size. There's nothing worse than kind of big, long, baggy fingers, or too tight and you can't do anything with them. So these are nice and soft and dexterous. They fit me beautifully. And one of the most surprising things about them that I've come to love are these. Yes, look, these little elastic loops, which are attached to the edge of the glove via a little plastic clip there, an elasticated loop, you see that, which goes over your wrist, and you put the gloves on, go over your wrist and you put the gloves on, which means that if you've got dogs, you'll be familiar with this. You've got to clip leads on and off, you've got to get a poo bag out, you've got to get a treat out for them, got to find the whistle, all that kind of stuff. You're constantly taking your gloves on and off to fiddle about with whatever you need to fiddle about with. And these bad boys mean that you don't lose them. You can do semaphore and you won't lose your gloves. It's fantastic. And they're called handcuffs because they cuff the glove to you. I don't know, they're called handcuffs because it's a good name. You can buy them separately. Harry will put the requisite links up onto the website. So if you've got a pair of Hestra gloves already, or any pair of gloves for that matter, you can always cobble together a way of attaching them. But it means you no longer have to have that nice piece of wool running through your sleeves. You've got these little handcuffs. It's great. You don't notice you've got them on, to be honest. Once you've got the gloves on, you wouldn't even know they're there. So that's it. The absolutely beautiful, oh sorry, I got told off for clapping last time. The absolutely beautiful Hestra Wakayama gloves, made by people who just make gloves. So they should be good, shouldn't they? Because they've been doing it for a very long time. And they are beautiful, take my word for it. Yeah, they are on the upper end of the price bracket, but to be honest, these are going to last you a very long time. So in terms of lifetime value, they are excellent value for money. And believe me, they are just gorgeous. They're lovely, they're beautiful. So that's it, I'll stop waffling. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you're enjoying these little short videos that I'm making. I certainly am enjoying them, though I do miss seeing Harry's little smiling face behind the camera. No, actually he doesn't smile. He's a bit like Stig. He's the Stig of the photography world. Anyway, see you again soon. Toodaloo. Sound check. Sound check. Doing a little sound check. Checking that this mic isn't making a funny noise. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Checking out the mic. Checking out the mic. Check it, check it, check it. Is it okay? Yes, it is.